Hello everybody. Assistant? So what my assistant was saying... Who did I say? I'm going to make a koala. No, you're the assistant. No, it's my program. So anyway, today we are going to make a koala. So here is the koala. I'll do a zoom up. Be quiet, you. And I also made a kangaroo, but we're not going to build that today. So I hope you understand my tutorial. I hope you could build a koala. I'm new to these kinds of videos. Maybe I haven't got the angles right or the focus right, so I apologize for that. But I hope you could do it. The reason why I made a koala was, and the kangaroo, was to raise awareness of the bushfires in Australia. 100,000 square kilometers of forest, towns, people's livelihoods has been destroyed, along with 1 billion animals have been killed, and 28 people have died. And they're still raging on now, and now they're suffering from floods as well. So if you could spare a little bit of money and check on the description or look elsewhere for an official charity who's helping the victims, the animals, the people, the firefighters in Australia, please donate something. I hope you enjoyed my video.